Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making vegetable soup. If this is your first time in my channel, kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. For the list of ingredients, kindly click on the description below. I'll start by heating up palm oil. Then I'll add my washed and deboned smoked fish and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to infuse the flavor of the fish into the palm oil. Okay, nice, this is fine. So I'll set it aside. Then I'll add water leaf and fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, now add locust beans, hydrated stockfish, then I'll return the fried smoked fish. Now add Kpomo, Shaki, now add about half a cup of stock. Stir it properly. Then cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes using a low heat. Now add boiled snail, dried prawns, Perwinkle, then gently stir it in. Boiled goat meat, then I'll cover it and let everything simmer for 2 minutes. Add dissolved Okpehe. This is optional. I just like the taste of it in my soup. Then I'll cover it and let it simmer for another 2 minutes. Okay, now add dry pepper, crayfish, gently stir it in. Seasoning cube, now test it to determine the quantity of salt to add to the soup. Stir it in. Then cover it and let it simmer for another 3 minutes. Okay, we're almost done. Now add the pumpkin leaf. Now cover it and let it steam for 90 seconds. Then gently stir it in properly. Because I don't want to overcook the vegetable, I'll just let it simmer for another 30 seconds and we're done. This is our vegetable soup. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful week. Bye.